world is changing faster than you can scroll TikTok, and the engine driving it all is artificial intelligence. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already here. But what happens when it becomes smarter, more powerful, and woven into every part of our lives by 2035? Stick around, because what I'm about to show you will feel like science fiction, yet it's closer than you think. And don't miss the part where AI might actually cure cancer and Alzheimer's. That's coming up. Imagine walking into class in 2035 and realizing you're the only one in the world with that exact lesson plan. That's because AI will map your brain like GPS, pinpointing your strengths, weaknesses, and even your pace of learning. Instead of everyone being forced into the same one-size-fits-all system, each student gets a completely unique education. Your AI tutor, always available, always adapting, always pushing you toward mastery. But here's where it gets eerie. This same AI won't just teach you. It might also predict the career you're destined for before you even realize it yourself. And that predictive power doesn't stop with education. It could also predict something far more important, the future of your health. By 2035, imagine this. You feel perfectly fine, but your AI-powered health assistant quietly detects early signs of illness, long before symptoms appear. It warns you, schedules tests, and even creates a treatment plan, all before you ever need a doctor. AI won't just detect disease, it'll fight it. From robots performing surgeries with surgical perfection to AI chat assistants monitoring your vitals in real time, healthcare could finally become accessible for everyone. But here's the real mind bender. What happens when AI doesn't just treat diseases, but starts curing them? Right now, AI is already helping scientists develop new drugs in months instead of decades. Fast forward to 2035, and it could be the key to curing cancer, Alzheimer's, and rare genetic disorders. Think about it. A world where diseases that haunted humanity for centuries vanish into history. That's the promise of AI-driven medical breakthroughs. But curing diseases is only part of the story. Because while AI is saving lives, it'll also be saving the planet. Picture your 2035 home. Lights, heating, water, all optimized by AI to save money and energy. Cities where traffic jams are gone because AI reroutes every vehicle in real time. Farms where AI-powered robots grow food with minimal water and zero waste. And here's the kicker. AI-designed materials that are tougher, lighter, and eco-friendly could replace everything from plastics to steel. A cleaner, greener future isn't just possible, it's inevitable if AI delivers. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room. If AI is building our cities, curing diseases, and teaching our kids, where does that leave our jobs? This is where people start to panic. Will AI take all our jobs? The truth? Some, yes. Repetitive, data-heavy jobs will disappear. But by 2035, humans won't be obsolete. We'll just be freed up for work that requires creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. AI won't replace us. It'll push us into roles we can't even imagine yet. Just like nobody thought app developer was a job 30 years ago, the next generation will work in industries that don't even exist yet. But AI isn't only transforming jobs, it's also transforming how we communicate. By 2035, your phone won't just be a gadget. It'll be a full-blown conversation partner. Thanks to advanced natural language AI, you'll talk to it like a best friend. Need to translate a foreign language instantly? Done. Want a speech, an article, even a song written in seconds? Easy. Communication will be faster, richer, and borderless. And this leaves us with the big question. If AI can reshape education, health, work, and even how we connect, what kind of future are we building? By 2035, AI could cure diseases, save the planet, revolutionize work, and change how we communicate forever. But the real future depends on us, how we guide, regulate, and use it. So, what excites you the most, and what scares you the most about AI in 2035? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'll be reading. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, hit subscribe and ring the bell, because every week we dive into the breakthroughs shaping your future. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. The question is, how will you shape it?